Hi, this is Janos, and you well know now the InstantVap Lite unit, and I just wanted to give you feedback that I manufactured several thousand units in the last, I don't know, 8-9 months, and not one came back for servicing, for repair. There was zero return. I wanted to use this opportunity until one returns to tell you how reliable a device is it. I really designed it in a way that you can use it for a decade, I hope, or longer, if you are a hobbyist beekeeper, and this will just serve you well. It's really a device which is very strong. It doesn't bend. Circuit board is well hidden. Everything is stainless steel, except the aluminium bowl, which cannot be made from stainless steel. Otherwise, it becomes very slow and very unreliable. Very strong outlet tube, brass one, not copper. You can undo it and replace it in case it breaks. Not one broke. It's just a great device, and if you are a hobbyist beekeeper, don't hesitate. This will serve you well. Thank you.